in this quick Yahoo tutorial I'll show you a lot of things which are extremely useful despite if you're new to Yahoo Mail or if you are an older and experienced user. So stick until the end and you will learn a lot of new tricks which will help you every day. Also, if you'd like to skip to a specific part of the video, feel free to check the video description for the timestamps. I will walk you through how to write and send emails, how to create a signature, how to create an automatic vacation response, attaching files, photos, documents when composing new emails, and many other things. So that being said, let's jump right into it. For now, let's press on compose, and now at 2 you will have to type the recipient email address, basically the person who will receive your email. Okay, but as a matter of fact, you can send your email to multiple people simultaneously if you write their emails right here. So you can do that as many times as you want. You can send that email individually or to multiple people. Now the subject, this will be the first thing which they will see when they will see your email, and also when they will open up your email. And here at the composition we have plenty of things with which we can play with. If you press on this one, this button will help you to attach photos and videos and documents to your email. You can attach documents from other emails if you choose this one, or if you have something locally on your computer, you can press on attach files from computer, and now all you have to do is find the document which you'd like to upload, double click on it, and as you can see my file is right here, but I would like to remove it, so I'll press on these dots and remove. What else do you have here? You have few emojis if you'd like to place them inside your email. Not really professional, but yeah, you can do that. You can also place links. As an example, you can type link. And now let's copy the YouTube URL and let's go back to our Yahoo Mail and let's highlight the link which we put right here, and let's press on this button. The name is link, and in the link box let's paste the YouTube link which we just copied earlier, and let's press on save. And now these tags also have the attribution of a link. If they will press on it, they will go straight to youtube.com, exactly the link which we paste. And you have some other buttons here with which you can play. As an example, let's highlight this text. You can make it bold, you can make it italic and bold at the same time. Also you can color it. As an example, if you click on the text color, you can choose the color of a text. As an example, let's make the text red, and now if you pay attention it's red, but I barely can see it, so let's make it bold. Okay, now you can see it. I think I will make it green instead and also bold at the same time. Yes, now we can see the color, and also you can make a highlight, a colored highlight behind the text. As an example, let's choose from the highlights this orange, and now we have a highlight behind the color. Also you can personalize the text in other ways. As an example, let's highlight this text, and now we have this button, and we can choose a bigger font, this one, or we have others to which we can play. What other things you have? You have some alignments. As an example, let's highlight these, and now you have 3 dots right here. You can center it, you can put it in the left side or into the right side. Also you have these dots if you want to say multiple things. As an example, let's put these bullet dots. Okay, and now we can type example 1 or example 2 and so on. And maybe you're wondering, if you can't send your email right now, you have to go, your work will be lost. No. As an example, let's go to the inbox, and now our email has been saved to the drafts, and we can get back to our work at any time. And in this way your work won't be lost. And if you want to send it, all you have to do now, you can press on send, your email was sent, and you can find it in the send folder. One more quick last trick which I'd like to show you before we end the video, it's how to create a signature for your emails. So for that we have to go to the settings and now hit more settings, and if you go to writing email setting from the left side, you can find here the signature setting. You'll just have to enable it first, and you'll have to write something. As an example, you can type Alex, and we can have a look at the preview signature. This will be how every email which you write will be automatically marked with Alex at the bottom. And inside here you have the same settings which I showed you earlier, with which you can personalize your signature. And once you personalize it, let's go back to our inbox, compose a new email, and we can locate Alex is located in the bottom right hand corner. So that's how easy it is to create a signature in Yahoo Mail. And for those who'd like to set an automatic reply to incoming messages when you are on vacation or out of office, we have an option for that. If you go to the settings of Yahoo Mail, again, more settings, you can find here vacation response. All you have to do is enable this setting, and let's choose a period of time. As an example, let's choose this period of time between 5 October and let's choose the second date maybe to 10 October 2025. And between this period of time, you can compose an automatic reply. As an example, all you have to do is write here the message which you like for everybody to receive. When they will send you a message, they will receive this this message between the period of time which you're set. And basically everybody who will send you an email in this period of time which you're set for the vacation, they will receive this specific message which you will write right here. So this is the most absolute basics about Yahoo Mail, how to write messages, how to personalize messages, how to create a signature in Yahoo Mail, and also how to create a vacation response for your Yahoo Mail account. Thank you for watching this Yahoo tutorial. Don't forget to leave your feedback down in the comments, and bye bye.